Good morning, everyone! Hello, guys! Kumustang lahat? Good morning! Kumustang araw nyo? Ito tayo, guys. Ito yung morning natin. Nakaligo na tayo. So, ayun. Don't mind my wavy hair, guys. As of now. Charot. So, guys. Kumusta ang lahat? Let's have a coffee. Sarap. Sarap ng coffee, guys. Kumustang lahat? Nakapag-coffee na ba lahat? Nakapag-coffee na ba ang lahat? Early in the morning. Coffee kayo dyan. So, yun lang, guys. Have a good day to all and everyone. And God bless everybody.